Morning, everyone. It's Trader Rob. Today is January 29th. It's a Monday, first trading day of the week. Let's get this week off to some profitability right after the intro. Let's get it. As always, nothing that I state on this channel is financial advice. Trading futures or any type of trading is risky business. Any capital put out there is at risk for loss. So yes, today is Monday, January 29th. We've got a brand new trading week here. Looking to get this week started off hot. We've had some pretty decent Mondays, so I'm feeling good about the day. Obviously, we rolled over on the gold contract, so I'm now trading. What is this? April's contract. So just saw volume obviously increasing there, and that's where it's at. So I'm gonna do a really quick. Let me do a really quick recap of Friday's trades. Gold took a full winner, about 21 ticks or $210. Unfortunately, in oil, both sessions were losers. Thursday we went 2-0. Friday we went 0-2 on oil, so that was kind of a bummer. Really quickly looking at the Rob reversal, I know a lot of you are asking about this particular trade setup, and I go over this every single trading day. I let you know in the morning if there's been anything from the previous day and anything that's currently happening in the market. So we had no setups pretty much all morning. We get a long setup at about 12:45, close below the ADMA, so no trade. We do get a setup to go short, which would fit our requirements, but it was at 1:45, so it was past our time condition of 1:15. Everything else to the right is invalidated based on time. So stick around. Let's see what looks like. We have some trade setups in oil and in gold coming up. Stick around for these trades and the trade recaps coming up shortly.
Order canceled. Order filled. Order canceled.
All right, there you go. So there's our first trade here in gold. We trade gold from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. looking for that inside bar that happens right there. So we had activated obviously to a short here. You heard several orders because I'm taking this obviously on our eval, and I'm also trading this in my cash account as well. So clear uptrend in gold. So again, this is like one of those scenarios where you'd be like, well, Rob, you're fighting the trend with the strategy, but what we're looking for is we are looking for a temporary thrust or a temporary movement coming out of an area of consolidation, which is what I consider these inside bars to mean in my strategy. And once we get pushed in a direction, I am only looking for a temporary shift to get into my take profit. So yes, we are fighting the trend here. I understand that, but there is really no discretionary filter that I have on my trades. I am looking at purely a time conditioned strategy setup from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Central Time, where I get an inside bar that forms on a 5-minute chart, and I am just looking for price action to come out of that bar, which here we get activated to the short, and to take us to full take profit. That's the strategy kind of in a nutshell. There's obviously more to it. If you're interested in the strategy, all three of my trades are linked in the description below. So they're all out there. They're very, very easy strategies to start to learn, to start to trade. And the one thing I could tell you is it has changed my trading around completely. So again, we're looking for a movement down. Believe this is about 14 ticks that we're looking for here. So on the gold E-mini, it's $140 take profit, and pretty much is what also we have as a stop. Here, sellers start to kind of come in and help us take full take profit on this trade.
Target filled.
So yes, I was able to take $140 profit out of my morning strategy today. Added that to the eval balance. That's doing great. No problem. What happened this morning? Got down. First of all, took my shower, made my coffee, sat down at the charts right at about 7:30 in the morning. Opened up my Discord. Whole bunch of chat, whole bunch of distractions, to be honest with you, and made a comment at about 7:40, 7:45ish that I've been taken out of my complete routine this morning, and I rushed it. I rushed the morning, and I made a stupid mistake. I made an absolute stupid mistake with what I would consider to be a pretty important account. I blew my funded account today. I blew the account that I was able to acquire strictly trading the 15-minute Rob reversal. And the trade that was able to kill me was the 15-minute Rob reversal. And not because it lost today, which it did. It lost 35 points. No big deal. It's been absolutely rocking and rolling for me. Passed the eval with it in about, I don't know, 6 or 7 days. It's been documented here on YouTube. And took my first payout from it, which was a really nice payout last week, which was actually the worst thing that I could have done. But that's what happens. At least I was able to take some cash out of that account. And what happened to me? Well, all the charts looked great. Everything looked okay. I was extremely rushed this morning. And what ended up happening once that 15-minute Rob reversal trade came to its pretty much conclusion? I had triple the size based on what I normally trade on my cash account on the same Rob reversal micro version of the NQ. That's what was built, that's what was into the strategy in my Ninja Trader, but off of the NQ, which is an E-mini. So I took on triple the size, and those 35 points absolutely freaking destroyed me. So yes, I've been heated today. You guys know me. I literally I try to be as positive as I can as a trader and in general, but this one hurt. And I know I need to manage the distractions that are occurring. You know, it's funny because I see a lot of these comments on YouTube that, you know, the people that are putting out these videos, they're doing it just for money. Well, I'm not charging anything. And the money that I have made from this channel is not even enough to pay for the fancy camera that I got. That that doesn't even make me look like I've lost any weight. So I'm sorry, guys. Let's go over the charts real quick. Let's see what happened today in my morning strategies. Gold, pretty much the only trade I was able to take on the eval. If we look at this, we got activated to the short. Nice little trade. Took a profit there. And I'm sorry. And in gold, took one trade, session one. Did not take that on the eval. I am currently sitting out session one just to kind of see if the edge kind of comes back in that session. It's been looking better. So hopefully I'm able to add that back into the morning routine. But that got activated to the long and was able to take full take profit there. So overall today, I think we made $140 on the evaluation account, just strictly trading my morning strategies. Sorry I wasn't able to show you guys the balance in this morning, but this whole freaking morning was all just turned around upside of me. So anyways, currently I am at $50,417 on the evaluation account. It's good. Um, Took some losses today in the funded account that is just it's tough. It's tough to deal with. But it is what it is. This is trading. There's going to be good days. There's going to be bad days, and I learned a lesson today. I need to manage my distractions a little bit better, and try to get better. Try to get better as a trader. I'll see you guys here tomorrow. Happy trading, everyone.